Don't give up. Keep moving forward. You are making progress every day. I know it may not seem like it, but you are making progress. You are moving forward. You are focused on the task at hand. You're not caught up on these haters. You're not caught up on these distractions. You are laser focused on your goal. You will accomplish your goal. Be patient. Be consistent. And those results that you desire, they'll be right here. Keep building. Noah was commanded by the Most High to build the ark, to save his family. Noah was ordered by the Most High to prepare for the flood. The Most High gave Noah the blueprint. He told him the measurements and the type of wood. What the scriptures does not mention is how Noah built the ark. What are you saying, Jaden? What I'm saying, Noah tapped into wisdom. In other words, he figured it out. He did not quit. He kept on building. The Most High gives us everything that we need. He gives us challenges. He gives us obstacles. I know how it feels to be stuck on a problem. I know how it feels to want success right now. We want a microwave success. The Most High gives us challenges. He commands us to tap into wisdom like Noah. He gives us challenges to figure it out. But he gives us everything that we need to figure it out. That is how we grow. That is how we gain understanding. We have to put in wisdom. What is wisdom? We say that all the time. Wisdom is skill. The Hebrew word for wisdom, fam, is chokmah. It's two words put together in one. The first part, chok, means the power. The second part, ma, means question. Put it together, the power to question. In order for Noah to build the ark, he had to tap into wisdom. He had to tap into the power to question. Wisdom also means skill. It's the application of the knowledge. We can't just sit around and expect the Most High to do everything for us. The Most High gives us challenges so that we can do our part. Noah tapped into wisdom. He figured it out and built the ark. While the haters was hating on him, and I can imagine they was clowning him. They didn't see the rain yet. Noah was faithful in the Most High. While they was joking, while they was clowning, while they were mocking Noah, he kept on building. He was focused on being obedient to the Most High. He was focused on saving his family. He was preparing for that flood while they was not. Noah was up there in age. He was not young. In other words, it's never too late. It's never too late. Don't quit. Don't give up. Like Noah, keep on building. Guess what? That message was not only for Noah. That message is for you. The Most High, Yah. Yah is the Hebrew word for the Creator's name. The Creator's name is Yah. It's a shortened form of Yod-Heh-Wah-Heh, Yahweh. The Most High has called you to complete the mission. What is that mission? To be a blessing to your family. To be a blessing to your children's children. The Most High has given you a mission. He gave you everything that you need. All you got to do is tap into wisdom like Noah. Have the power to question. Keep building. I know at times you feel like giving up. I know where you're coming from. You don't see the results. Do not let nothing stop you from serving the Most High. Do not let nothing stop you from serving your family. Don't let nothing stop you from serving people. Noah kept on building. He kept on building. People, they like to say Rome wasn't built overnight. The ark was not built overnight. It took a lot of effort. It took a lot of brain power. It took a lot of muscle. It took blood, sweat, and tears. Oh, I can imagine the splinters that Noah got. I come from a carpenter background. I'm a carpenter by trade. I know about some splinters now. I don't know how many times he hit himself in the finger with his hammer or whatever tools he was using at the time. He used what he had to get the job done. He asked questions to arrive to answers, and he applied the answer. Let's do the same. Don't give up. Don't be discouraged by nothing. Nothing will stop you from being a blessing to your family. Noah kept building. He kept on building. It took him a long time, but he got the job done. No matter how long it takes, fam, keep on building. And you will accomplish your goal. Oh, yes, you will. Noah had to put all them animals in that ark. He put his family on that ark. They had to take care of the animals on the ark. It rained, and it rained. They did not prepare. You are preparing for the flood. You are preparing for saving your family from the struggles that you had to go through the trials and tribulations that you had to endure. It made you the person that you are right now. You are preparing a bright future for your children, for your children's children, for your seed. Because you are building. You are asking all the questions. You are receiving the answers. And you are executing. Don't give up. Don't give up, fam. The results will arrive. Noah kept building. Finished the ark. Put all the animals on there. It started to rain 40 days, 40 nights. It didn't stop there. He had to stay on the ark. He and his family had to stay in the ark. Until it was time to walk on dry land. It's beautiful. 8 people were saved from the flood. What's beautiful about the number 8? It symbolizes a new beginning. After the flood, for the world, it was a new beginning. The number 8 also means abundance. We have abundance through our Creator. We have a new beginning with our Creator. We know that this life right here is just a comma. But the afterlife is forever. Period. On this short time that we're here, we are commanded by the Creator to serve the Creator, to serve people, and to serve our family. Keep on building. Don't stop. Don't quit. Like Noah, it cost him blood, sweat, and tears. And for you, it can cost you blood, sweat, and tears. It's worth it. It's worth the obedience and the sacrifice. keep on building. Through rough times, keep on building. When you're feeling discouraged, keep your faith in the Most High and keep on building. Trust the process. Focus on the Most High. Stay patient and stay consistent. And your new beginning, your goal that you've been dreaming about, that you've been desiring and thinking about, that goal will come true. You can do all things through the Messiah who strengthens you. Nothing will cause you to stop. Nothing will cause you to quit. You are a child of the Most High. You are more than a conqueror. Repeat after me. I will not give up. I will serve the Most High. I will serve people. I will serve my family. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King. Keep on building. Keep on building.